welcome to Bogart The Crypto with me, Jessica B. Thank you for joining me today for episode 11. Incredible. I don't have that many fingers, so episode 11. Here we go. Keeping on with the new format because people really seem to like it. I guess George knew what he was talking about. So, rolling right in today, let's get started with the news. What's happening in the crypto news? Well, for one, the miners are exiting China. China's doing a crackdown on those miners and telling them to get out of here. We have climate goals that we're trying to meet, and you guys aren't doing us any good. So, where are they going to go? I mean, they're in a little bit of a pinch and kind of a pickle. They got to figure out where they want to get to, and they got to do it quick. So, a lot of them, from what I'm reading, are heading to the United States. That's right. Yeehaw! They're coming to Texas and Tennessee and South Dakota and even New York. So, this ought to be interesting. I mean, Americans are really focused on green energy, so something's going to have to change here. Maybe we'll get to some solutions when it comes to energy consumption and mining. Some interesting news also coming out of Goldman Sachs. They're doing the big about face when it comes to what they think about crypto assets. Last month, they were all for it. This month, it's not a viable investment. Bitcoin's not a long-term store of value. All the while, they're expanding their crypto trading desk to include Ethereum futures and options. So, it's one of those lessons just to be reminded of. Don't just listen to what they say. Watch what they do. Which leads me to my next story that I found to be quite interesting. Who's buying the dip? Guess what? It's the whales! Big surprise! The whales, those ones being ones holding more than 100 bitcoins in their wallets, they've been buying up the dip. That's right, they now account for almost 47%, maybe even a little more than 47% of all the Bitcoin supply. Wow. So, don't let your Bitcoin go, because those whales are patrolling the waters and they are hungry for Bitcoin. They're going to scoop it right on up. Don't sell yourself short, friends. Keep your eye on the prize. And now, segment 2. This motherfucker over here, markcubin, right? I mean, did he get the rug pulled on him, or was he part of the rug pull? You be the judge, because there's some conflicting information out there. It's kind of interesting. It's like, well, he was invested in this project. He went and talked about the project, and the price went way, way, way up to like $64. And then a few days later, boom, tanked. Less than a penny. Yee. But guess what? markcubin, he took a little bit of a hit, but not a big hit. Not a full hit, because somehow he managed to get out. And then boom, it all went down from there. It's like, interesting, yes. You be the judge. This motherfucker. So, segment 3. We're going to talk tokens again. And this week we're going to talk about CHAINLINK. CHAINLINK, currently ranked number 15 and trading for about $21, which is a great buy considering its all-time high previously of about $54. So what is CHAINLINK? Well, CHAINLINK pulls information, external data that's not already on the blockchain, and validates that information. Then it reconciles that information, and it provides that information for the use in smart contracts. So, if X happens by Y date, then Z should occur. And CHAINLINK provides the X and the Y in that scenario. So, for instance, crowdfunding. If $500,000 is raised by January 27th, then that $500,000 will be given to the crowdfunding recipient. But if not, all that money that was donated will be returned to the donors. And that'll happen automatically because it's on the smart chain. It eliminates the need for a third-party intermediary to execute the contract. And this is important for platforms in DeFi such as Ethereum and Solana because they offer smart contracts, and this is how this data is validated and utilized and provided for the use of smart contracts. CHAINLINK is known to be the most reliable and efficient source of this oracle data. They have a decentralized network of nodes that they call oracles that they use to validate and pull this information and supply it for smart contracts. So, CHAINLINK. It's important, it's necessary, it's required. We need those CHAINLINKs in the world, and that's why it's a good investment, in my opinion. for me and Mr. Space Grouper. That's why we like Chainlink. And it's on sale. All right. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's going to do it. Let me know what you know about Chainlink. Throw me some comments about the news. I'd love to hear what you're thinking right now. Don't forget, bang the like, subscribe to the channel, hit me up on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Fucking love you guys. Keep on rocking. Here's your moment of FUD.
Happy Father's Day. Now call your dad and tell him he was right when he told you not to buy any Bitcoin. And when he called you an idiot. Idiot.